me in prison again with these annoying sirens. I don't know what to do today since Noah's not able to play jailbreak on this phone. I gotta find something to do today.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
What the? Noah, is that you?
Yep.
What are you doing here?
Well, my mom let me use a new piece of technology, a tablet, and now I could play jailbreak.
Oh, that's awesome. Now we can escape prison together. Alright. Let's go find a way to escape prison. Where are we gonna go first?
You wanna go in the courtyard and see if we can.
Oh yeah, that's pretty much where you can always escape prison from.
I don't even know how you guys are running so fast.
Because we have the ability to press shift, and shift makes us run faster. Is it raining out here? Great. No one likes rain. Come on, now let's go.
Or pickpocket something.
I got a feeling that we're not gonna find a good cop here.
True.
So we might as well escape the classic
we got
ways.
Our own gang.
What?
We got our own gang. Okay, never mind. Alright, we're just gonna be lonely.
Well, me and you, we're a gang. We're a gang.
Yep.
Look, there's a chopper right there. Only it's being taken. Wait, hold on.
Is it going down? It's going down!
Oh, this might be our chance to escape. I'm running. Am I running? No, I don't think I am.
Go, AJ! Oh, crap.
Did we miss it?
Yes.
Crap. God dang it.
Oh, wait, it's going back down! AJ, it's down!
Ah! I don't see it.
It's over in the corner. Come on, AJ.
I'm not fast enough. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
Come on, AJ. There's plenty of seats left.
Alright.
Probably in the back. Wait, is there even a driver?
I don't know. Actually, hold on. Let me check real quick. Hold on. Is there?
Go check.
I'm trying. It won't move.
Alright, have fun, AJ.
Ooh. Let's get out of here.
Well, that was really easy.
What a great way to escape prison.
Someone just leaves their chopper. I think those people are mad.
Yeah, those people are going to be really mad.
Well, I hope they have a key card to get another one.
I'm sure they do. Because I saw that they took that chopper off of the top of the cop building, the cop prison, the prison.
Hey, we got another gang member.
What's his name? I can't really read what his name says. His name starts with an S-E.
I can only see like Bitrebi.
Oh, his name is. He's got 92,000 cash. That's a lot of cash, bro. You know, I'm driving this chopper much more smoothly than yesterday. Train.
AJ, I got more money than you. I got 1,250. You got 500.
Shut up. Oh, we're at the city. We should probably go to our mini base and change our clothes and get some guns.
Alright.
I just need to find it. Alright. I see it on my mini map.
It's weird because I don't got a mini map.
Yeah, that sucks. Alright. We're here now.
Someone just jumped out.
Yeah, cause this is the mini map base.
Can we jump out?
Hold on, I'm landing it. I don't want to land on the train.
You might want to do something. You're going to land on a car. Wait, that's what you're going to land. Oh, wait, no. Perfect.
Alright, get off. I'll stay in the chopper real quick, and when you get back, get in the driver's seat, and then I'll go get my.
What is this X thing?
What?
What is this?
I don't know. Just no. Hurry.
What? Wait, what are we supposed to do?
Go into that building.
What building?
That building you're going to.
Oh, okay.
And there will be a change of clothes and some guns.
Ooh.
Ah, screw it. I'll just go get my. I'll just quickly go change my clothes and my gun.
That's more like it. You got the shotgun?
Huh? Was there someone else over here with you?
Yeah.
Make sure you don't get the chopper.
I gotta get my guns.
You might not be able to get the shotgun
Why?
because you need to buy it.
Oh, well, I can't get the shotgun.
All right, hurry. Let's go.
I got the pistol.
We got our pistols. That's all we need. No! 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 He's gonna grab our chopper! No! 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 Alright, fine. We're at least gonna. No! Hurry!
No!
Noah! Noah!
I mean, what? You guys left me.
Oh!
You guys took the chopper and. Oh, hey, Angie, what's up?
Hey,
You
great.
lost a whole bunch of time.
it's fine. I'll regenerate.
Alright, you drive.
I'll drive then. Man. I should have just stayed in the chopper. Cargo plane. Bring a cargo crate back to the back from a robbery. From robbery. What the frick does that even mean? Ow. What the frick does that even mean?
Are you really gonna run over everything?
We need to rob someplace.
Is there a bank around here or something?
Yeah, of course there's a bank around here. I just need to look for it on my map. I just don't exactly know where it exactly is. I'm like, I found the control tower. Hey, whoa! Jesus, man! Ah!
Can you grab that?
No, I don't think we can.
Oh yeah, we don't have a key card.
I think we should try to find the gun store. Quickly buy some better guns.
Buy?
Yeah. Oh, look, there's another chopper. Alright.
So where are we going now?
Hopefully this road will take us to the. Oh, what the frick? I don't know why I got out of the car, but I meant the gun. Hopefully this road will take us to the gun store so we can buy better
No,
guns.
take a shower or a bath. I did. Before you get on technology. I did. No, you didn't. Yeah, I did. Your hair's not wet. Yeah, dry. No, I can't dry the face because I was down here 10 minutes ago.
No, you weren't. I was up for like an hour.
AJ, I was still
Oh
up.
my god,
He did not take a bath.
you literally got something. You literally got a parachute suit. Yeah, that makes sense.
See? That was fun. Oh, I just lost it.
Oh dear.
I'm gonna get multiple of them.
How much is that? No, that's not enough
I
money.
can probably get that.
I don't have enough money for that.
But we can rob banks.
Can I get an
You
Uzi?
guys still not getting what you're told. I showed you the note. You're still not getting what you're told.
You still get an Uzi? That's cool.
I lost my glider.
You did. You seriously lost your glider? Oh, let me try it.
I'm gonna go get it.
Woo! The frick? You just immediately lose it. That's why you have to go and get a whole bunch of them. That's why you have to go and get them. That makes sense.
I thought that box just popped because it just came out of nowhere.
Boo.
I
Well,
was like, no, the gliders.
oh no, we pretty much just got nothing done.
Wait, did you stop the video?
Oh no, I'm still doing it right now.
Okay. I'll pause the video. Alright, I'm confused.
About what?
Where are we?
Well, according to my mini map, we're at a little plaza. Oh, look, guys. Hey, look, Noah. Wait, no. Hey, jerk. There's a car over there. We can try to take that one.
Alright.
First, I'm gonna rob this store.
Alright. You get the donut, I'll get the car ready.
All right.
You must be hungry.
Oh no, I'm just getting in. I'm just gonna try robbing the bank.
Oh, I wanna rob the bank.
No, not the bank, but the store. This little donut store. Once somebody robs it, there won't be no one else can rob it until like later on. So just don't get in my way as I rob.
Wait, how do you do it?
How do you rob it?
Yeah.
You go up to the cash register and
Oh.
I got 700 and I got $750.
$750.
Yep.
How, like, is that 7,000?
No, it's 700. Now I have 1,300. Me and you have the exact same amount of money.
Hold on.
Oh no!
Hold on.
There's a shopper up there.
I think it cost.
Let's see the costs. Hurry up with me. Hurry.
I'm coming. I have 2 donuts now.
Oh wait, it does cost money. How come that one costs money and the ones at the police station don't? That's just straight up bull. Hey, did you get the car?
Nope, not yet. I have 2 donuts.
Oh, alright.
Alright, like always, you drive.
Where is the car?
We lost it.
Ah! The frick? Uh-oh. No! Save me!
He arrested me.
No! No!
Zoe, shut up!
No!
Oh, I'm released. Out of control.
Oh, so your son listens to that music.
Reggie, come on.
What's the point, Noah? We just got arrested after all this work that we've done to escape.
Where are you?
I'm at the prison. I'm at the prison
Are you
cells.
down the stairs?
Yes, I'm downstairs. I'm on the downstairs cells. This isn't right. You know what? I feel like we should just go and eat dinner, Noah.
Booga booga booga.
That was terrible.
Oh.
Actually, I am gonna eat lunch. Hey man with really short arms.
That actually smells good.
Don't do it. How? What does?
Food.
Maybe it's just toast.
Can I, like, eat it? Hello?
I don't know.
Alright, let's get out of here because I'm not hungry. Well, I'm hungry, but...
Well, I only have a few minutes left to record, Noah. There's nothing really much you can do.
How many more minutes?
Well, I'm at 13:20.
Alright, soda time then.
What?
I said soda time then.
Yeah, we are out of time. And I just have my ugly avatar. Like me.
I got 1,300. Dang.
No, we both have 3,100. 1,300. We messed up.
Wait, then how'd you get so much money?
I robbed that donut store.
And I didn't get any money?
No?
You're a little butthole. You know, I'm gonna play some more jailbreak, and I'm gonna get the most money and be the worst criminal ever.
Really? We're gonna have to think about that one.